Guys, Colin Bracken here with another how-to video on another Can-Am X3 install. So today I am doing a Ryco street legal kit, and I am taking out the dash cluster so that I can utilize the factory turn signals that they implement into the dash. So how you do this is you take off the 4 screws that are on there, and that is a T20. So 4 T20 screws, and then how you're going to get this off is it's actually locked in with a system that connects up top. So I'll show you real quick. These little tabs on the bottom, you're going to lift up on and slowly pull out, and that's going to release these top ones. So you can see how it snaps into there and then locks on that ledge. So when you go to put it back, you'll pop that top in and push the bottom in just like that. So to get it out, you're just gonna slowly lift up on those, push down on that just a little, and it pops out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow the build, and until then, we'll catch you on the next one.